In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a board in Miro, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, sharing your board can be a crucial step in collaboration and teamwork, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Miro website. Open your web browser and type in miro.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the login option, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to the sign in page. Here you have a couple of different options for logging in. You can either use your email credentials or choose to sign in with your Google account. If you prefer logging in with your email, simply enter your email address and password. After filling in your login details, click on Continue with Email to proceed. This will land you on your Miro dashboard where you can see all your boards. Once you're on your dashboard, locate the board you'd like to share. Move your cursor to the area near the board's title, and you should see an icon with 3 dots appear. This is the menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Board Details to access more specific options regarding your board's configuration. Now look for the Share option. This is a vital step because it allows you to set how others can interact with your board. Clicking on Share will open a sharing window. Here, you can establish the permissions you want to assign to others who will view your board. You might want to adjust these permissions based on whether you want people to just view or also edit the content on the board. In the next part of the sharing window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Viewer. This is where you define what level of access others will have. Select Viewer if you want others to just see the board without making changes. If you need collaborators to edit or comment, make sure to set those permissions appropriately. Finally, once you've set everything up the way you want, look for a button labeled Copy Board Link. Clicking on this button will copy the link to your clipboard, allowing you to easily share it with your colleagues, team members, or anyone else who needs access to the board. Simply paste the link into an email, message, or any other communication platform you prefer. And that's it. You've now successfully shared your board in Miro. By following these steps, you ensure that your projects and ideas are ready to be viewed and collaborated on with ease and precision. Thank you for tuning in, and happy collaborating.